welcome to our 2-bedroom Venice floor plan. This apartment's on the second level, and you're going to notice it has the dark cabinetry and stainless steel appliances that I was talking about in the last video. Come on in. All right, so you'll notice that we have smart rent. All the apartment homes within the community are access code, so no need for key entry. The great thing is you can control through your cell phone. If you didn't lock the door and you left for the day, you could log into the app and lock the door. But let's take a look. So this is going to be the 2-bedroom Venice floor plan, 829 square feet. This has dark cabinetry with stainless steel appliances, as you can see. You'll gain an extra large kitchen here, being on the second floor. We also have washer and dryer off of the kitchen here as well. Now you also have a really large living space here. You can do so much with this space, from couch to a supersized extra large television to dining area over here. So there's so many different options for you here. Now you also have a great coat closet here, with a little storage shelf built up, which is very nice. And then you have the master bedroom. So a master bedroom is about 12 by 11. Depending on your furniture and the configuration, could accommodate a queen for sure, and in some floor plans, a king as well. You also gain that large wall closet here, and then you have the ensuite bathroom with large stand-up shower. Go ahead, take a look. All right, let's head over to that next bedroom. Similar size, about 12 by 11 as well. And then you gain not only a really nice wall closet here, but also another smaller closet in this apartment too. So plenty of storage space here as well. And then you have your second bathroom, which is going to be a tub shower combo off of that second bedroom. Okay. So once again, this is the Venice floor plan, 829 square feet on the second floor.